Okay, we have three options: property type, numbers of visitors, your budget, and we have in each one we have three options. So how can we copy the options that we choose and show it in another page with an answer not available? This is what we are going to do in this video. We will use the for in statement. Okay, so let me explain you the HTML document. We have two lists. The first one has the form, the second one has empty 3Ps, okay, in order to put our answer. Let's clean the JavaScript file and start from the beginning. But first of all, let me explain you briefly what does it mean for in statement. For in statement, what does actually it loops through the properties of an object, okay, and what we write, so the code we will write, it will execute it for each property. And about its syntax, we write for between parentheses our variable in and the object that we created, okay? And we open the curly brackets. We write the code that we want to be executed after. Now, let's come back to our exercise, okay? So the object that I created and I want to copy its properties are info. So we have demo1, we have demo2, and we have demo3. They are elements, they are HTML elements that we want to copy after clicking on the button, the search button, okay? So we create the props variable, and let's see how can we use the for in statement, okay? Let's come back to our Visual Studio Code and write our function. Let's create a function that name is preset, and we should do, first of all, create an object that we want to loop through it, or through its properties, okay? And its name is info. So info object has three properties. Has the first one property type, the second number of visitors, and the third is your budget. How can we select the value there? So just we write document.get element by ID, and we write the ID of the element. The first one, for example, demo1. Okay, this is the demo1. So we have three options. We write the value, or we choose the value that you or our user choose, okay? So dot value, and we do the same thing for the two others option, the visitors and the budget, okay? Exactly. So now after this, let's create a variable and let's put its value empty because we will use it after to put our answer. Okay, so let's text assignment operator and quotes, double quotes. Now for, we write for parentheses, let props, which is it's a variable, in info. So we want the variable props to go in the info variable and copy the options that we choose, okay? So text, and we add, okay, we put the value that we want the text has after the executed. So we have the BR, which is we want each option to be in a let's say a single line, okay? We want to have the check symbol, and we want to have the value there, okay? Now after this, I want to do several things, or various things. First of all, I want to take the element that has the ID form1 and display the style I want to display none, to choose display none, because I don't want to show when I click on the button, search button, to show the form. I want to disappear this form. Okay, just I want to show to you, to show the user, it's the options that he or she chooses, okay? So I don't want to see more the form after clicking on the button, the search button. And I want to show the div that has the ID answer, okay, when I click on the button. Okay, so let's do this, and after this I want to show the answer, the three options. I want to show the sentence you choose, and I want to show the answer that it's not available. Okay, how can we do this? Very easy. Document.getElementById, and we'll write the element, the ID of the element that we have in HTML document, and we'll write the sentence there. For example, here we choose sorry, not available. Okay, good. Now let me try and see if it works. It doesn't work. You know why? Because I did a mistake. I take off let's say a code, okay, a line code. The second line, do you remember that we write the second line, the answer line, in order to show this div? So we take it off accidentally. But it's okay, we can fix it right now. Style, display, and block. Okay, let's write block, and here it is. It works. Fantastic. I hope you enjoyed the exercise. Try to do it by yourself. See you next time. Bye bye.